The charging system malfunction warning in your Toyota RAV4 is a critical alert that indicates problems within the vehicle's electrical charging system. This warning affects approximately 8 to 12% of RAV4 owners, with significantly higher rates in vehicles that have exceeded 80,000 miles or operate in extreme climate conditions. The charging system consists of several key components working together. The alternator generates electrical power, the battery stores energy, the voltage regulator controls output, and the engine control unit monitors the entire system through a complex wiring harness. The alternator is the heart of the charging system. It contains a rotor, stator, voltage regulator, and diode rectifier that work together to convert mechanical energy from the engine into electrical energy. The integrated circuit voltage regulator maintains proper voltage output between 13.5 and 14.4 volts. RAV4 hybrid models from 2019 to 2025 have additional complexity. They include a DC-DC converter that steps down high-voltage hybrid battery power to 12 volts, an auxiliary battery for accessories, and a hybrid battery management system that coordinates between the traditional and hybrid electrical systems. The engine control unit continuously monitors the charging system performance. It tracks battery voltage, alternator output consistency, and system load capacity. When any parameter falls outside the acceptable range for more than 10 to 15 seconds, the warning is triggered to alert the driver. Recent technical improvements include enhanced OBD2 diagnostic codes for more precise error identification and ECU software updates that address false charging system warnings, particularly in 2020 to 2023 model years. These updates have significantly improved diagnostic accuracy and reduced unnecessary service visits. Proper diagnosis is the key to fixing charging system malfunctions. We'll walk through a systematic approach to identify and resolve these issues. Start with a thorough visual inspection. Check battery terminals for corrosion, which appears as white or blue-green buildup on the metal connections. Also, examine the alternator belt system. The belt should be tight and free of cracks or fraying. A loose or damaged belt can cause charging issues. Next, use a multimeter to test battery voltage. With the engine off, a healthy battery should read 12.6 volts or higher. When the engine is running, the charging system should produce 13.5 to 14.4 volts. Under electrical load, voltage should not drop below 13 volts. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for diagnostic trouble codes. Common codes include P0562 for system voltage low and P0622 through P0624 for alternator field control issues. The most common causes of charging system malfunctions include alternator failure, battery issues, and wiring problems. Let's examine each category. Wiring problems account for 20% of cases, including corroded terminals and loose connections. The remaining issues involve ECU malfunctions and hybrid system problems. Solutions vary based on the root cause. Alternator replacement typically costs $400 to $800, while battery replacement ranges from $120 to $250. Hybrid RAV4 models have additional components that can cause charging issues. The DC-DC converter and auxiliary battery are common failure points in hybrid systems. Toyota has issued Technical Service Bulletin 0087-19 to address false charging warnings in some hybrid models through ECU software updates. Prevention is key to avoiding charging system problems. Perform annual inspections after 60,000 miles and replace batteries proactively every 3 to 4 years, regardless of test results. Following this systematic diagnostic approach and maintaining your charging system properly will help ensure reliable operation and prevent costly emergency repairs.